Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll teach you how to do slow motion in Adobe Premiere Pro, especially when your camera isn't actually able to record in more than 25 fps. Okay, so this is the clip which I'll be using today to actually show you an example of how to slow down the video, and it's a short clip, it's 25 fps. So the way you do it is you right click the video and then go to the speed duration, and if your camera does more than 25 fps per second, you just turn down the speed, which is over here, and you type in the percentage that you want to adjust the speed to your own liking. However, if you don't have a camera which can record in more than 25 fps, you switch the frame sampling to optical flow, and then you change the speed to, let's say, 60 to make it more smoother. And here we go. And here's the slow-mo version of the 25 fps video. The way that the Adobe Premiere does that is it literally adds a additional frame between all of the frames which are being used in the video, and in that way it actually allows to make more slower videos, even if you don't have the technology to actually do that. So anyways, if you have enjoyed it, please like it, share it, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later.